tell them about your makeup.
Hi.
No, what did you do on your eyebrows today? You have to look at the camera.
Makeover.
You did a makeover, so they're pink, huh, to match your hair.
We got a whole lot of crazy going on out here. Oh, happy Thanksgiving. Awesome, Cash. You're such a good dude. I thought that was gonna get Spencer. Are you scared, Sass? I don't like this. I don't like it at all. He does not like what's happening.
And just like that, Thanksgiving is being removed. Look. There it is. Oh, this is recycle bin. But there's a bunch of our Thanksgiving. There's the rest of it. I just gotta go put it in its bin and put it back in the basement. Yay! Okay, so yeah, I got a zit patch on my nose because I cannot get these two zits to go away. It's driving me nuts. The cats are eating. But yeah, all the Thanksgiving is down, so now I can focus on Christmas. I didn't get any photos of the food. I didn't get anything of any of that yesterday because we just ate. The prime rib was bomb. The ham was meh. I didn't really care for the ham. The prime rib was where it was at. My yams, as always, so good. Yeah, we had some good food. It was all really, really good. My mom brought a bunch. And we just had a really nice, good dinner. It was really nice and relaxed and not super crazy, which is nice. Those big holidays can get crazy, you know, so it was nice just having it small and mellow, and it was good. I know you can't stop staring at that, huh? Look at that thing. Look, do you see all of it that it's sucking out? Ugh, so gross. Anyways, if that doesn't get subscribers, I don't know what will. Yummy.
I call that one shiny still.
Thank you, big brother. You're a good dude. Go brush your teeth.
No.
Yes.
No.
Go brush your teeth, stinky girl. Hey, you need to brush your teeth next. Well, Spency's going first. That way you guys don't have to fight for the sink. Hey, stud muffin. I love you. The mop is mopping, so the floor and the table is out of the way. Like all the chairs are up on top. That's how we roll. And then I hide those chairs over there. But look, the kitchen is almost clean. Still got nasty over here. And then over here still needs to be cleaned up. But for the most part, we're done with Thanksgiving and all its leftovers. Well, not literally. We still have tons of leftovers to eat. But we're finally done with this mess. Okay, sometimes I think this mop is out to get me because it was over here. And then it took a V, went like this, and I was right there and it ran into my feet. Mr. Roboto, why are you so mean to me? Seriously, I think my mop is slightly evil. It's like Transformers when the Nokia phone goes cray cray. Mr. Roboto's about to reveal his true inner self. 4 bins of Christmas so far. I have about 4 or 5 more downstairs. Woo-wee, here we go. Christmas puked on our house. Oh, we've got more snow. Here it comes, and it's coming down hard.
Is that your holder?
Fun, fun. All right, so tree starts up there at the star. So I collect all these willow tree angel ornaments. They've got different years on them. Let's see, where's this year? Not this year's. Kind of disappointed with it. She's holding roses. Why couldn't it be anything festive? Whatever. But there's my tree. We stick it on top of a stool and then put our tree skirt around it so that way we have more room underneath to stack everything, because there's not a whole lot of room right here for things to come out, and I don't like the heater vent blocks. But this is our basket of 25 books for Christmas. So they're all wrapped, and then I actually need 5 more books. They're on their way because we replaced some of the little baby books. But starting tomorrow, they get to open those and we'll read as a family together. That's our tradition. And there's the beautiful tree. Hello, tree.
That's what we
Alright, so here's our front door. Not done yet, but I'm still working on it. So far, that's it. Target dollar section. These might even be dollar store, but this was Target dollar section a couple years ago. And then our normal sign. Oops, sorry. And this and that I've had forever. I mean, my Christmas, you guys, I've been married for almost 15 years now. Our Christmas is old. We've had a lot of it for a long time. But all right, so face mask in the morning. What's better than coffee and a face mask? I mean, honestly, it's white though. It looks really creepy. I look like one of the Christmas ghosts. But this is the end of the vlog. I need to make a different vlog and keep going, and this one is taking me forever, so I am finishing it and we're going to upload. I will show you the rest of my decorations as they get done in another vlog, which, as you can see, I still need to decorate up here. I haven't completely added everything I need to. I've only done the garland, and it's kind of janky. Like, I haven't pulled out the things, made it look pretty. Speaking of pretty, I look amazing. But yeah, so working on it, but it's not done yet. And so, yeah, that's about it. But look, we're trying. Table is still torn apart, but now it's all Christmas decor. So still got to hang our stockings, everything. So that's it. I'm going to end it. You're done. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.